Hey everyone, this is Summer Calls of HighCohesion, and in this short video we will look into just how easy it is to create a webhook for Shopify using the HighCohesion control panel. So the first thing we need to do is to just go in this example we'll just update the stream, choose a source that uses a webhook, and then update the stream in this case. We can then navigate to the stream detail page, and directly from here now the system will automatically generate a webhook URL. So we can copy that, navigate to Shopify, notification, and webhooks, create a webhook, in this case on order creation, and then simply paste the URL. We can now ensure that this works by sending a test notification, navigating back to the events list. We can now see that the order test event has come through. To get some more details, we can go into the event and we can look at the details page here. And this is how easy it is to use webhooks using HighCohesion.